Hi Paradise Buddies and welcome back to Paradise Philippines. If you're new here, I'm Angelica Macasero Bengtson and oh my gosh do I have a treat for you. Today we're here at a spot that feels straight out of a dream. I'm talking about the White Island, one of the most epic hidden gems of the Philippines. We're on our way to the White Island. And honestly, it felt like something out of a dream. The boat ride was a little bumpy, not gonna lie. But I kept my eyes on the horizon to avoid getting seasick, because I knew it was going to be so worth it. You have probably seen pictures of this place, but trust me, nothing can prepare you for the reality. Alright, fun fact time. Did you know that the White Island isn't actually an island? Technically, it's a sandbar. Yep, that means it disappears at high tide. Okay guys, I don't even know where to begin. The sand is so soft, it feels like baby powder when you walk on it. And the ocean, it's like a swimming pool, but way bigger. Honestly, I'm about to jump in, but I'm just gonna take a sec and let this all soak in. There's something surreal about being out here. It's just you, the ocean, and its endless stretch of white sand. No noise, no distractions. Okay guys, enough talk. It's time for some action. So let's see if the water is as good as it looks like. This is one of the best dips I ever had. The water is so clear, you can see everything, so it's perfect for snorkeling. Or if you just want to feel like a mermaid like myself, this is the place. Okay Paradise Buddies, that's a wrap for today. What a dream! I don't think I'll ever want to leave, but we have so many more adventures ahead. So if you're ever in the Philippines, don't forget to visit Camiguin and the White Island. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below where we should go next. See you on the next adventure. Bye!